How to fix webcam not working in your Chrome. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing about some of the easy fixes if you're not allowed or blocked the camera access in Google Chrome. So without any ado, let's get started. So the first thing you need to make sure is that the camera access has been turned on and the driver is not disabled. In order to do so, you have to open Device Manager. Hereby, you have to go to the camera folder, tap on the webcam, right-click on it and then click on Enable Device if it has been disabled. If it is, you can update the driver. Once updated, if it's still not working, you can try to uninstall and reinstall it. For this, right-click again on the driver, click on Uninstall Device, and once completely uninstalled, click on Action to scan for hardware changes. This should now reinstall the driver and your device should be working with the webcam. Likewise, the another solution that you can try on is go to web browser, click on the three dots on the top right corner, go to Settings. Under Settings, you have to go to Privacy and Security from the left side panel. Scroll down until you find Permissions and click on Camera, and then click on the first option, Site can ask when to use camera. When you click on it, whenever a site requires camera or webcam access, a dialog box will appear on the top left and that should be clicked as allowed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.